Hi guys, I'm back with a dip powder mini. So I purchased Triple D's Diva Box. I think this is the August Diva Box, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, September, so it's the August Diva Box. And so I'm just opening up that box to see what goodies we have in here. So we have a nice fluffy nail brush. Reminds me of Sparkling Co's nail brush if you own that. Nice and fluffy and soft. And then we have one of those great alcohol wipes. They're large that I like. A sticker, dip in style, Diva style. Boom. And we have the longer cuticle sticks. I like those. They're easier to grip and work with. And then we have some French tip stickers. I thought those were cute. So I have to do a mani with those, which I thought the colors in the Diva box would kind of correspond with those colors. I guess you can put it on top of whatever you want to. I guess it's nail user's preference. And so we have a set of travel size dip liquids. These are regular dip liquids. They're not delicate. So if you want to do your nails on the go, which I do not, you have some nice travel size bottles. I thought those were really cute. Why do we like small stuff? I know some people love small stuff. Some people love really small stuff. I think we just think small stuff is cute for whatever reason. Tripping, I know. And so it came with those 3 dip liquids. It came with dip base, activator, and dip top coat. Not mad at it. Not mad at it. Who can't use an extra set of liquids? I know I can. But again, since they are regular dip liquids, again, I will have to wear a respirator. And I was just opening up to smell it to make sure that they weren't odorless. And so they are regular dip liquids. Okay, and of course we have 4 colors here. We have a temp changer and 3 colors that are exclusive to the box. And so the temp changer is available for purchase via the site. We have Diva Dip 61, which is a nice purple. Can't be mad at that purple. It's nice and pretty. We have Diva Dip 62, which is a nice blue. Let's get into it because I like a blue. And then we have Diva Dip 63, which is a nice glitter. Look at there, it's pulling in purple and blue, because at first I was like, why is there blue in here? But then now as I do this voiceover, I was like, oh, because it kind of shifts, the glitter shifts between purple and blue. And then we have Showtime, which is a blue temp changer. Now I did do a mani with Showtime, so I'm gonna leave my comments for Showtime in the other video that I will upload at some point to my channel using the color Showtime. And so that's what came in the box, and there's only so many boxes that they have every month. And so that's Diva Dip 61, 62 on my little swatch dots there, 63, that's pretty, that is just pretty, and Showtime again, which is a temp changer. So guys, just hang out with me while I do this application. I did decide to do a mani with Diva Dip 61 and 63 for this particular video, and I did apply peel off base coat, UNT peel off base coat to be exact, on top of my builder gel for easy removal. And I am using Triple D's delicate dip liquid, so I'm not wearing a respirator, but I do still wear a simple face mask, just because I don't want all that dust getting up in my nasal passages there. And so guys, yeah, so just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. So as mentioned in the previous kind of text that popped up, low odor or delicate dip liquids dry slower. So as I applied the base the second time, you could see at the cuticle area or bottom of the nail that the dip powder kind of was removed from the nail because it wasn't quite dry, but that's okay because overall it turned out great. I don't have any major complaints with that. And you can see that doing the same thing on my thumb, where as soon as I touch the cuticle area, that dip powder is kind of fading off of the nail. But on that second coat, it kind of sealed everything in, or kind of covered that back up. And so with delicate dip liquids, if you have anything that's kind of wonky and kind of moves itself off to the side because you may have put too much base on your nail, I'm just taking my finger and kind of patting that down, and then I'm taking Triple D's precision tool and cleaning up any excess dip powder that may be on the sidewall or the cuticle area of my nail. So I'm just, you guys see me just patting that in. It kind of fixes itself once you pat it in, but you got to do it while it's still wet. If you try to do it while it's dry, good luck, Chuck. And so I'm just going in and doing Diva Dip 63. Look at that, that's pretty. That is just pretty. And I'm a fan of blue, but lately them purples and them pinks been calling my name for some reason. But I'm just going in and applying the glitter, and then I'm going to do an ombre on, did I do an ombre in French? I don't know. On one of the nails. So while I was doing this application, I did notice that so the first coat I typically pour the glitter over, and then on the second coat I will lay my finger flat. Well, what happened was on the second coat it picked up more of the finer glitter in the dip powder. So what I ended up doing is applying dip base to those nails, the pinky and I think that was my index finger, and placing chunky glitter pieces. So I pour a little bit of that glitter into the lid of the dip powder, and then I go in and place the chunky glitter on the nail because I wanted to see it, even though it kind of blended itself in, but I wanted some chunky on my nail that wasn't covered up. On this nail, that's a salt spoon that I just briefly showed you. I'm using that for my clear. And on my ring finger, I am actually going to do a glitter ombre. Again, trying to perfect my craft, trying to get it right. But again, who's to say that what somebody else does is right versus what I'm doing is wrong? You know, it's your preference. They're your nails. You do whatever you want to do on your nails. And so I'm just taking that ombre brush and just tapping, tap, tap, tap. It's a little sped up, but you can work a little slower when you're dealing with delicate or odorless base liquids. And you can see here, a lot of that glitter, the finer glitter, is getting on the tip of my nail. No problems. And I'm just gently dipping that at the very tip into the cupcake liner, and then I'm taking my salt spoon and pouring over. I did get a little glitter in there. I kind of scoop that out. Boom, get out of there, get out of there. And so I'm just scooping that out of my jar because I don't want to contaminate my jar, and tapping that off on the side. And then I'm going to repeat, and I think I end up, yeah, I repeat on that nail or place some of the chunkier glitter pieces. And I don't know. Oh, I forgot to hit record. That's what happened. I forgot to hit record, and I didn't get it a second time. And I did the second tap ombre. And so I'm just placing those glitter pieces, and then I will encapsulate the glitter nails in clear, and then go in to apply activator to harden the dip powder in preparation for filing and buffing. So as previously mentioned, I encapsulated in clear off camera, and I'm going in with my nail brush and removing that excess clear. Now, since I'm using delicate dip liquids, I am using a nail brush. If you go in and try to use a nail brush or a toothbrush, you're going to tear your dip powder application up. So, because again, delicate or low odor or odorless dip liquids dry slower. And so I'm going in and applying activator to each nail, making sure that I dip my brush back into the bottle for each nail, applying that, and then I wait about maybe 2 to 5 minutes to give that dip powder time to harden and do my filing and buffing, which I always do off camera. And so I'm going in and applying activator. Now I'm surprised, I'm trying to figure out what am I doing here. So, because I did my filing and buffing already, I thought the nails looked fabulous. I do like that shape. And I actually think glitter ombres look better on a square shape or like a coffin shape. And so I'm applying my activator. And I'm using alcohol. Oh, because I use the Triple D's Delicate Top Coat, which it worked good the first 2 times I used it, and then all of a sudden it's disrespectful. Like, I wish I would have did a gel top coat. I wish I would have went in with their Delicate 2-in-1 gel top coat that requires curing in an LED lamp. And so, and I went to the website and used their instructions, but here again, I have a habit of going over my nails with too many swipes outside of the recommendation, which ends up messing up with my top coat, and that's what happened here. Now, see, nobody told me to keep swiping over that nail. You're supposed to do it the same way you did that first coat. 3 quick swipes, cap the free edge. But no, I got to be difficult. Got to be difficult. Now, look at that. Nobody tell me to do that. Nobody. But it didn't dry as shiny as it has in the past, because I have gotten shinier results out of the delicate top coat. And so I allow that to dry, and then I go in and apply my favorite or one of my favorite cuticle oils, because I have a bunch of cuticle oil. I need to stop buying cuticle oil, because I'm pretty sure by at this point I probably have a lifetime supply, and that stuff does expire. But I have cuticle pens that I do like to use, because I be at work and they be like, what are you putting on your nails? Cuticle oil. They always think I'm putting on chapstick. I'm like, no, why would I put chapstick on my nails? Like, think about that. I don't know. But I'm just wiping the rim of my bottle so that hopefully it won't get sealed shut, and putting that brush back in. And so again, my nails are dry. You see, they're kind of dull looking. But I'm going in with Triple D's unscented cuticle oil. I do like that little sponge on the end of that pen. Works great. It feels good, let me say it that way, on the nails and massaging that in. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel because you like what you see, and it is free after all. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.